We're just outside Locarno rail station. Here's a town tram, and could this power car be from the Vignasco line, closed 7 years later? But we shall ride the Centovalli line to Domodossola, after negotiating more than 1.5 miles of street track, since replaced by tunnel. A crowded centre platform vehicle like that makes for difficult filming. The depot at San Antonio, a brief glimpse at Ponte Brolla, where the older Vignasco line diverged. Filming under difficulties. The 280-foot main span of the Isono Bridge at Intragna. Verdasio. The Centovalli line opened as late as 1923. Part of the original rolling stock, our motor coach dates from then, seen here at the Swiss border station. Crossing this bridge we enter Italy, then back into the siding of Ribellasco for an opposing train. Number 16 is owned by the Italian company, hence the different livery. The Pilgrim's Church at Ray. At Santa Maria Maggiore, we meet an opposing train hauling some coaches, 2 of which are attached to the back of our train. We wait while one gang finishes their piece. Alan was in a rush for a connecting train, so there's no film of the street track. The line now ends under Domodossola station.